In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a time activity for a customer. If you track time you've spent on client work and want it to flow smoothly into your billing, this walkthrough is for you. Creating a time activity right from your customer area keeps everything organized and makes invoicing later clean and accurate, especially helpful for service-based businesses where hours are your product. Start by opening your accounting dashboard and heading to Sales, then Customers. This takes you to the place where all your client records live, so you can connect time directly to the right account. Once you're on the customer screen, look toward the top of the page for the Create Invoice button. Instead of clicking the main button, use the small drop-down arrow beside it. That arrow reveals related actions tied to the customer workflow. From the list, choose Create Time Activity. This opens a simple form designed for fast, consistent logging. In the Time Activity window, enter the hours worked. Keep your entry clear and honest. If your system accepts minutes, enter them as needed. And if it uses decimal format, convert minutes to decimals to avoid rounding errors. A helpful habit is to confirm your start and stop times before you total the hours so your record matches your calendar or project tracker. If you track tasks by project or service line, make sure your description reflects what you actually did, using a short phrase that makes sense when you review it later. Next, decide whether this time is billable. If you plan to charge the customer for these hours, mark it as billable. This tells your system to make the time available when you create an invoice, so you don't have to retype anything. If the work was internal, included in a flat fee package, or meant as a courtesy, leave billable unchecked. Being consistent with this setting helps your reporting stay accurate and prevents overcharging or missed charges. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving records the time activity to the customer's history and keeps it ready to pull into a future invoice if it's billable. This also supports better project costing and profitability tracking since your hours and work descriptions stay tied to the right customer. That's all there is to it. Sales to Customers, open the drop-down beside Create Invoice. Select Create Time Activity, enter your hours. Mark billable if you need to, and save. Use this process every time you finish client work so your records are current and your billing stays on schedule. It's a small habit that pays off with cleaner books and fewer end-of-month surprises.